So, who is that, Roman?
That cousin.
It's Doc Hudson. And who gave you that cat?
Not Daddy, not Tony, not my brother, not my daddy. I got it.
Well, you got him, but what did Tony say about Doc Hudson? What does he do?
He protects me from the dark.
He protects you from the dark. And did your brother give him to you?
Yeah.
He did.
And I got him. I got him.
And now you got him, yeah.
And then I got him. No, he spin it round just like me.
And what does that cat do for you, honey?
He put next to him, like, and I could get somebody.
And do you love that kitty cat now?
And I love that kitty cat.
Oh.
I love that kitty cat.
Well, give him a hug. Give him a big hug. Oh.